Since before the age of dinosaurs, the giant Pacific octopus has been the unrivaled crab hunter down here. Until now. We have cunning ways to catch seafood without even entering the water. Traps are effective in attracting the octopus's favorite food. The octopus closes in. A boneless skeleton made of water means it can contort its 9-foot body through a hole the width of a grapefruit. Now to dine before the trap is lifted. The trap only opens one way. But that's no problem for this extraordinary escape artist. We may be smart, but we're still discovering animals have countless skills, every bit as impressive. Overlook them, we may be left empty-handed.